Among the millets, ragi is become an extremely popular millet. It's one of my favorite millet flours. Namaskaram. I'm Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant, and your host on Munch and Mull. Ragi is commonly called as Kizhavargu in Tamil, Kora in Malayalam, Nachni in Marathi. Ragi is rich in fiber and thus has a low glycemic index. Besides this, it is rich in various other micronutrients including calcium. Here are some of the amazing ragi nutrition facts. Data suggests that ragi has 3 times more calcium than milk. Its potassium levels are higher than banana and it has a very high fiber content. The high antioxidant levels of ragi are attributed to the high content of phenols and presence of a range of flavonoids. These are maybe the hidden reasons why ragi has been a traditional food of choice for pregnant women, lactating mothers, and a weaning porridge for babies. But there is more to ragi than this. Research suggests that the health benefits of ragi are diverse. It's an ideal food for diabetics. We will examine why very soon. Finger millet incorporated in diet is found to prevent ulcers. It lowers cholesterol, reduces inflammation, and has anti-tumor properties. Ragi extracts have been found to inhibit pathogenic bacteria and shows wound healing properties. And that is not all. Ragi is found to lower gallstone risk too. And lastly, for those of you with gluten intolerance, ragi is a gluten-free grain. And did you know that cultivation of ragi and other millets require far less water compared to rice? The benefits that ragi offers to diabetics stems from the following. Its high dietary fiber lowers blood glucose, particularly after a ragi meal. Besides, it also has a low glycemic index. Check this out. The glycemic index of finger millet dosa was found to be 59, while a rice dosa had a glycemic index of 78. Chapatis made of ragi flour had a glycemic index of around 60. In another study, preparations such as chapati, idli, dosha, etc. made of ragi given to type 2 diabetes patients showed a significant decrease in the after-food blood glucose levels in a month of regular use. This study reports that regular consumption of finger millet products can decrease fasting glucose by 32% and can eliminate insulin resistance by 43%. So millets like ragi should be a preferred grain for diabetics. I have uploaded many ragi recipes, the link of which is given above. Bonus power tip, delicious combination of using the ragi flour for making puttu is wonderful for all age groups including children, adults, pregnant ladies, diabetics, for people who are looking at weight loss and people with heart disease. Believe it or not, an interesting study of the glycemic response of the rice flour puttu was found to be the lowest compared to other traditional Kerala breakfast recipes like idiyappam, appam and tapioca. Couple that with the low glycemic index of ragi itself and you have a healthy double bonus, a synergy in the humble ragi puttu recipe. So should you not be including this recipe as part of your regular diet? Leave your comments below.